We are really motivated to defend our title as a Dakar winner.
On the heels of winning the 2024 Dakar, there's a big excitement. We knew we had to go back and defend that title. Yeah! When we decided to bring an American driver, there was no doubt in our mind we wanted to bring Heger.
What are your goals for the team for 2025?
So the goal for the team for 2025 is simple, is victory, as we did last year. But we know that it's a long race, many different parameters that make the victory possible in the end. So we are focused on the victory, and we will see.
Yeah, the learnings from 2024 coming into 2025 was substantial. We went and won. We know that Can-Am's not happy about that, and we know they're going to come hard. I think it just goes to show how strong our racers are and how strong the Sebastien Loeb Racing team is.
To win Dakar with Xavier, it was amazing. It was a lot of stress during the race, but when we come back in France, we understand the importance of this race and the importance to win for Polaris, for all the team.
To cross the finish line of the Dakar as a Dakar winner was a dream since 2014 when I started Dakar, and I can tell it's the goal of my life. I don't know if my wife will see that, but it's the main goal since 12 years, and I'm really focused on January.
The partnership with SLR started as a combination of events. One, we were looking to expand our presence worldwide. Two, Sebastien Loeb was also looking to get into side-by-side racing.
For a team like SLR to have a partnership with Polaris is really valuable in terms of image, because Polaris is a huge manufacturer. Sebastien Loeb Racing is a French team, French-based team.
Sebastien Loeb Racing has the race pedigree, obviously, and so he knows how to win races, and he knows how to build a team to go win races.
The trust people have in this brand is huge, and to be associated with them, for sure, for Sebastien Racing is something that make us grow up, and those two strong brands, Sebastien Loeb Racing and Polaris, the association is perfect on that point of view.
On the heels of winning the 2024 Dakar, there's a big excitement. We knew we had to go back and defend that title. When we decided to bring an American driver, there was no doubt in our mind we wanted to bring Heger.
When I found out I was racing Dakar, and they kind of raised the question as if I would want to go do it, and I was like, heck yeah, I'd want to go do it. And you know, just the success I had last year and winning the championship, I think that helped my case, and I'm looking forward to it and ready to take on that adventure.
Knew we wanted to set Brock up for success. And so we went out and we talked with a bunch of people across the industry, and pretty much everyone came back and said, you need to put a person that Brock is going to get along with the best in that seat. All the pieces of the puzzle and all the arrows were pointing towards Max Eddy.
This will be my fourth time going over to the Dakar Rally. It's been on the ladder of achievements for a long time, and it's eluded me the last couple times that I've been over there, and I would definitely like to go over there and get a win, whether it's as a driver or a navigator.
Yeah, Max and Brock, the experience they have behind the wheel of the Razor is huge. For us, it's a big plus to have them on board, because they will be the crew with the more experience on the car.
They've had a couple years over there to get the cars figured out and dialed in, and obviously our teammate Xavier won last year. We know we're going over there with a capable car for one.
For the navigators and the drivers, it's a mental game, and the crew too. I mean, it's 14 days straight of almost no sleep. You have to have the mental fortitude, and as a person and as a team, the team has to be really strong, and the whole team has to support each other to get through that race.
I look at it like I want to go there and win, regardless who it's about, who I'm racing against or whatnot. So for me, it's going there and winning my class and doing the best I can do.
To feel that you could win the Dakar Rally was very much so alive in my body to go back and do it again. And knowing that I have Brock as a driver, Polaris as a manufacturer, and all the guys over there backing us up, like, I truly believe that we have one of the best chances to go over there and win.